Hey guys, so today we are in a cafe and I'm going to draw by watching Netflix. So we are going to have some fun and draw here and there, just pressing pause whenever is needed. And here we go. Alright, so let's do a sketch and chill session. So I'm just watching a video on Netflix and whenever I feel something interesting, I just draw it. Actually, at the beginning, I was going to this bar, to this cafe, to draw some people, but unfortunately there was no one around, so I decided to take out my phone and watch Netflix and see what I could draw with. So the idea is that whenever you draw, you just press pause whenever you need, or try to watch the movie and enjoy it and see the feature of the character you are drawing along the movie. As since this is the main character, is going to appear from different angles multiple times, and just enjoy to draw all along. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to draw exactly the portrait of what you see. What you want to do is to improve your sketching skills and to practice for quite a long session, for 1 hour, 2 hours, up to you. As since this is a Netflix series of 8 episodes, you can draw as long as you want. So the thing is pretty convenient for whoever feels distracted, feel easily distracted, and now you can enjoy both of it, like entertainment and drawing at the same time. So here we go. So we are chilling with just sketching all around, taking your time. So for some details here, I like to draw only with my ballpoint pen, and for shading, just draw with hatching. So I try to avoid the pencil drawings just to how to say, it's just pretty convenient for quick sketching, as you can come out with some ideas, you can come out with some very fast results without messing up everything with a pencil, without erasing. You want to do mistakes and leave the mistakes and iterate on top. So this is how you can actually progress much faster. So it's okay, you just want to practice all along whenever I'm drawing this session. I take it easy and try to be focused on the movie and what I'm doing. So I hope that there is like only me in the world, nobody to distract me, and just enjoy. So you can see here, like the character has a different angle, and I carry on by drawing the lips here. I just take my time. I mean, like if there's sometimes like you draw and then you pause for a few minutes, looking for a detail that you missed on your character, and you're waiting for him to reappear again. It's fine. Here we go. As you can see, I add some value with the hatching. Here we go. So when I try to do a composition, it's interesting to draw the characters from different viewpoints and also different scale, as well as you can see here, it will be the character that is standing, and I bring some contrast from the two portraits that is in front and I put him behind, and also the level of detail is different. That's creating also more contrast within the different character that you see on your board. Here I add a bit of background, which is a door behind him. As you can see, I don't go into the detail much, and the way I draw the door is more inaccurate, more clumsy. This is adding also some contrast with the character itself. I draw another one right here, which is a villain of the character of the episode 1. So getting pretty nervous. So here we go. I draw some zoom in here of the eyes. So my goal here is just to film the paper as much as I can. That's it. So I hope you enjoy it, and I see you for the next video. I invite you to try, and yes, always have fun. See ya.